Hey there, how are you doing? We're glad to have you here. In this video tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of using the Academy Certificate add-on. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's install the Academy Certificate plugin from the WordPress dashboard plugin menu. It's easy. Just click on Add New, then type Academy Certificate in the search box. Once you find the plugin, install and activate it. Now, take a look at the WordPress dashboard menu. You'll notice a new option called Academy Certificates. Click on it, and you'll see that an automatically created certificate template is already there. To add a new certificate template, simply click on Add New. Remember, you can create as many templates as you need, but only one can be active at a time. Now, let's customize the certificate template. This is where the magic happens. You have full control over the design. From the interface, you can set the background image, heading, course name, message, and certificate date. Feel free to drag and drop elements to adjust their position. The certificate settings allow you to modify the typography, font family, and font size. You can also change the message position or remove it altogether. Once you're satisfied with the changes, just click to apply them. Need to change the message text? No problem. You can easily set the style and date from this section. After making all the adjustments, it's always a good idea to preview the certificate to see how it looks. Ready to create a new certificate? Click on Add New Template. Give your certificate a title and choose a background image. Now, let's add a heading. Select the heading style, adjust the position by dragging it, and click Done to set it. You can always modify the heading position by dragging it again. Now, let's personalize the heading's color and text. Moving on to the message position, you can follow the same steps as before to set its position. Remember, you can create multiple certificates using this process. Once you're done, click Publish to make the certificate available. If you check the certificate templates, you'll see the new one you just created. Remember, only one certificate can be active at a time, which means it can be downloaded by the students. We're also working on custom certificates for students in the future, so stay tuned. Great! Now that the certificate is ready, you might be wondering how to download it. Well, students need to enroll in and complete the course to be able to download their certificate. That's all there is to it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyable. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting video tutorials. Thank you for watching and being a part of our community.